today that jumpstarts your career. There are going to be people hired after today's events.
We're going to play a game called Handshake to Hire.
That's national.
Looking for a job that they got good pay, flexible schedule, and good benefits.
I have a lot of experience in a lot of things. I'm a jack of all trades, honestly.
Employer notices, your posture, your eye contact.
We're so excited for this new initiative, Here2Hired, by Jonesboro Unlimited. We've got this job fair first. The next phase will be the employers reaching out to the students that might be a great match for their company, and those employers will interview or connect with these students, and then those who end up with conditional job offers, then they are going to get to participate in our signing day celebration. We're so excited for that because we really want to highlight and showcase these great young people who are headed into their career right after high school graduation.
Talked to Greenway about becoming a technician for them and working on tractors and stuff.
I talked to NEA in St. Bernard, and I'm leaning towards being a radiologist. I already have my CNA license, so I'm going to start out there, and then I'm going to just better my career as I get older.
We're very pleased with this. I think it's going to be a great new initiative for the Jonesboro region.
We are truly invested in you, in your future, because you are what's going to lead the way for us.